I'm Maddie and I'll be showing you how to upcycle this old chest into a beautiful toy box. So we want to get rid of this dated, daggy, 90s orange pine finish, so we're going to strip it back to a nice bare pine, put a clear varnish on it and modernise it. For this project you will need a clean cloth, safety gear, earmuff, safety glasses and a dust mask, electric sander, a sanding block and sandpaper, paint tray with roller and brush, clear varnish, tape measure and pencil, drill and drill bits, handle, pneumatic stay. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to sand this back to raw pine. Don't forget, safety first. Using a 120 grit sandpaper, sand back all the original glossy finish. Sanding back the surface takes out any previous product and allows a new clean slate for the new product. Using an electric sander helps speed up the process, but if you only have a block and some paper, that's okay too. Once you've finished sanding, be sure to use a clean cloth to remove any dust so the varnish sticks. We've sanded it, we've cleaned it, we've got a really beautiful grain in this wood here. Now we're going to go in with 2 coats of our clear varnish. I'll use a paintbrush to get the fine details first. Apply 2 coats of varnish, but if you'd like a deeper finish, add another coat. We've got 2 coats of varnish on this one now. It's looking beautiful. We've got some coastal vibes going on here, some beautiful grain in the timber. That's a heavy close. I'm going to install a safety hinge, so it's got a really soft close so no little fingers are going to get caught. We call it a safety hinge, but when you're in store, ask for a pneumatic stay. Grab a friend to hold the lid open for you so you can place the hinge in place to mark out where you need a drill. Position the hinge where you'd like it to go and mark the holes for the screws. Once you've made your marks, go in with your drill and drill some pilot holes. Screw this piece in first before you attach it to the hinge. If you attach this to the main part of the hinge first, you won't be able to screw it in. And now using your screws, attach the main hinge. The final step is to attach the handle. First, you need to measure and mark where you want the handle to go. Use the drill to drill a hole for the handle, then use a screwdriver to tighten and fit off the handle. There you go, now we have a beautiful soft closing toy box. So no more jam fingers, no more crying, and a nice safe place for your kids to store their toys.